Alright guys, bit of a test for the Bobcat. I'm hoping that it's leaning back far enough that I should be able to lift that. That's 1,000 litres. As you can see, she's full to the top. I'm going to try and lift this. If it can't lift it, we'll dump some out and see what it can lift. So it does have the big 4-in-1 bucket on it. Well, let me get up in here and I'll warm this beast up and see if we can move this around. This is a Wacker Neauson 901S. It's only done 367 hours. This is a spring chicken. And we're going to see if it'll lift. Well, it can rock it back. That's pretty epic. Holy crap. That's 1,000 kilos, boys and girls. Keep it down as low as we can so it doesn't tip me over. Wow. That's insane. Back wheels are still on the ground. That is a strong little Bobcat. That's an idle. Let's see if we can put it up high enough that we can actually load it on the truck over there. Yes, no tricks. 1,000 litre bulk container, and she's full. Shut that because it was dribbling everywhere. All right, so we get it on the truck tray. I feel a whole lot more comfortable once the bucket's over the tray, but that's not that sketchy. Keep in mind guys, this has got like a 400 kilo 4-in-1. Oh, Wacker Neauson 901S. Gonna lift 1,000 kilo water pod. 1,000 litre water pod. In its 4-in-1 bucket with teeth. Like, she's a big decent 4-in-1. And put it on the back of my truck. That right there, people, is epic. What a good machine. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps someone looking to buy one of these pieces. For now, I'm getting out of the rain. Catch you in the next ones, YouTube. Cheers.